Many people believe that the falling leaves on the trees has a reason. And do you know the reasons why? I am here tonight to break the chain of the gender and to proclaim my sexuality as a bisexual. Together with the nations of the world and for better hope and expectation for the next 1,000 years to one another. A miraculous evening, friends, ladies and gentlemen, and especially to the board of the judges. I am a freshman college student studying from the famous School of the Scholar. The Polytechnic University of the Philippines, but taking up a Bachelor of Science in Hotel Restaurant Management. I am all the way from the true capital of the Philippines, the Marikina City. I am a freshman, 17 years old stunner. But for tonight, please do allow me to stand me by the name of the one of the most beautiful faces that Philippine cinemas ever produced. At ang babaeng minsang lumipad at nang sabit bilang si Darna. At